Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to remove tattoos from skin in Photoshop. So let's get started. First pick a magic wand tool and click on tattoo and it will automatically select it. After that go to select, modify, expand by 3 pixels and hit OK. And press shift and backspace for fill option and make sure content aware is selected and hit OK. And see how it can easily remove. Do the same process with all other tattoos. Pick a magic wand tool and draw a selection. After that go to select, modify, expand by 3 pixels and press shift backspace. Content aware is selected, make sure and hit OK. Again select tattoo with magic wand tool, select, modify, expand by 3 pixels and press shift plus backspace and hit OK. Repeat the process with this one as well. Shift plus backspace, make sure content aware is selected and do it. And repeat the process for the last one. Select with magic wand tool and after that go to select, modify, expand by 3 pixels and hit OK. And press shift plus backspace and make sure content aware is selected and hit OK. And boom. And see how we can easily remove tattoo from skin. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.